Alright guys, back to the alternator. I already disconnected the battery, took the air box out. Right, pulls to the left, pops out, unscrews right here, the screwdriver, disconnected the battery back here, all ready. It's time to get this damn alternator out. Alright, gonna loosen our tensioner. Pull that off. Get that out of there. What the hell did I try? My flashlight. It's gonna be pretty easy. 13. Yep. I'm just gonna start taking it off. Now you usually want to take it out from underneath, but I'm gonna do it a little bit differently. I'm gonna hook this clip right here. While we're up here. Just a little. There we go. Pop that up and out of there. Once we pull that clip, we can press and pop this thing out. Ooh, it's hot. There we go. That's out. Tuck that right there. Let's go underneath. Take the other two off. Spot here. Hopefully you guys get a good angle. Sorry guys, get out of the way. 20mm. Oh, don't hit your elbow. Alright, got our bolt. I'll just pull our wire off here. Now, make sure you put that bolt in a safe place. Back to it. 13. Just pull her up. Try not to do that. Most convenient method. There it goes. Hold on. This bad boy in.